Hello, good morning friends. Let's discuss option selling today. So we are option sellers. There could be two kind. One is call, another one is put. Okay, so call acts as resistance, and when you check for price action, price will go down from that strike price. And put, which acts as support, that means price action will go up from that strike price. Okay, so this is the basic concept here, and we'll check from morning data. Okay, so this is Friday's data, and when you check for open was 350. Okay, let's keep it here. 350 was the open ATM. Then when you check this price, so it's 70 and 15. Okay, so this is the straddle part, and then this becomes the OTM, and this becomes the ITM. Okay, and the straddle it's positive. Okay, so this should be day 3 from expiry, Friday's data. And then when you check for Nifty's 50's price action, this should be resistance, this should be support. When you check for price action, I'm going to check in 15 minutes time frame. So open was here, so resistance was 350 and support was near 250. Okay, so price action was down and then it just came up and gave a close here. So here it was SL hunting. So from previous day 1 and day 2, all SL is gone, so there is no SL left in the market. Also the resistance is pretty strong. That means today price action can go sideways. So this is the data for Nifty. Let's move on to Bank Nifty. Similar pattern you can observe for Finnifty as well as Midcap Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty. Then you check for open 457. 400 was the open. This is the open ATM. And when you check for straddle, so this is 59 and this is 12. So definitely it's the positive straddle. And again this is the OTM, this is the ITM. Okay, so OTM was positive, and Bank Nifty follows monthly expiry pattern. Okay, now when you check for price action here, this was support, this was resistance for Bank Nifty. So under 15 minutes performance, resistance was 700 and support was 157. Okay, so open was somewhere near 500, goes down and then exactly gives a close at resistance. That means previous day buyers are pretty strong, which is actually opposite to Nifty. So whenever Nifty and Bank Nifty are going in opposite direction, that means you have to wait until major support or resistance breaks. Now we'll move on to the OI. Okay, so now we have already seen the price action. Now we have to check if OI is complementing the price action. Okay, so this is the close ATM. For Nifty's performance was 0.32, that to downtrend, and then you could see PCR is 1, max pain is 350, and this is the support and resistance, and then you could clearly see. So this is for Friday's data, and here profit booking in the ITM. But when you see 289 and 272, that means it could be sideways today, and already the SL has been hunt. So this is overall 13 and 10. So resistance is quite strong for Nifty. That means price action can move down to sideways. Moving on to BNF. So BNF, again here you could see 0.9 PCR, and this is the performance, which is almost sideways, 6 points positive. IV is 11, max pain is at 800, and this is the support and resistance. Okay, when you check for Friday's data, so 6 and 15, so definitely support is more here, so support is strong. And when you check the overall data, why OTM? Because OTM is where the smart money plays. So OTM is where you have to check. So 214 versus 103, here also quite resistance is strong. Okay, no profit booking is seen here. So as you could see, all the ITM and OTM is at positive, so they have only added the position. So this gives us the clarity that market could be sideways for today. So that's it guys. Any questions you can ask in comments. Thank you.